Morning time phrases. Good morning, my baby. Greet your baby with a happy, cheerful voice to create a positive start to the day. Babies learn greetings through repetition. Time to wake up. Use a gentle and calm tone while waking the baby. Saying this phrase every day helps baby associate it with the start of the day. Did you sleep well? Even if your baby can't answer yet, this question helps them get used to basic conversations. Over time, they will start responding with sounds or nodding. Let's open the curtains. Say this while pulling the curtains open. Babies learn words faster when they see the action happening. Stretch your arms. Big stretch. Gently stretch your baby's arms while saying this. It helps with body awareness and movement development. Let's change your diaper. Talking through actions helps babies connect words with routines. Over time, they will understand what comes next in their routine. It's time to get dressed. Say this while choosing clothes. You can ask, do you want the blue shirt or the red one? To introduce color words. Look, the sun is shining. If it's sunny, point outside and say this. It helps build vocabulary and teaches babies about nature. Can you give me a morning hug? Babies love physical affection. Encouraging hugs teach them about love and connection. Let's wash your face. Say this while using a soft cloth to clean your baby's face. This helps them understand personal hygiene words. Here is your comb. Let's fix your hair. Handing the comb to your baby encourages independence and helps them recognize objects. Say good morning to daddy or mommy. Teach your baby basic social skills by encouraging them to greet family members. Let's go brush your teeth. Even if they're too young, introducing the habit early helps them get used to it. You can use a soft baby toothbrush and make it fun. Do you want to drink some water? Asking questions like this teaches babies choices and decision making. If they nod or reach for the cup, acknowledge it. Yes, okay, here is your water. Okay, all ready for the day. Saying this phrase every day signals the end of the morning routine, helping your baby understand transitions. Pro tip: always use actions along with words. Babies learn best when they see and hear them at the same time. Smile and use a happy tone to make morning fun and positive. Repeat these phrases every day to help your baby learn English naturally. Thank you so much for watching.